Oh, oh, fuck. Ow! Ow! Okay, it's following me now. It's following me now. Oh no. Okay, we're good. What? Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh! Ah! Okay, we're good. Okay. Okay. I hear them. I hear— OW! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh damn! Oh! Okay, we're good. Good. Oh! Ow! Okay, okay, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, we gotta go, we gotta go, gotta go. Oh my god, what the f— oh shoot. Oh, it's more intense, it's more intense. It's too intense for me, man. It's too intense. It's too intense for me. What the dog doing? He's a skin dog. He's a skin dog trying to kill me and bite my ankles. What the dog doing? What the dog doing? I'm an idiot, I swear. Oh fuck! Jesus Christ. No. Ooh, should I check the town? Should— too intense for me. Nemo 2022. Also, that's all that she said. Oh my god. No, it's not what she said. Oh fuck, that's a dog! Fuck! Shit! Damn! Wait a minute. Oh fuck! So, is there gonna be a dog house? Oh fuck. Oh! Oh! Okay, okay. Oh! Yeah! Ow! Okay, come on. Oh! Yeah, I wanna take it. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit! Oh! Ow! Oh dang! I was just guessing. Oh shoot! This was the point of slow writing and save. Ow! Ow! Okay, we're good. Okay, come on, we gotta keep on. Oh shit! Why'd you stop? Okay, we're good. We're good. Don't worry, we're good. There's nothing out there. Might as well check it. What do we got to lose? Okay. But it's just hearing them there when they're not actually there. These are definitely moans. No, they're not, Canis. Where's your proof that there are moans? Hmm? It's just me yelling out. That's not how I moan. Yeah, we're fine. Don't worry about it. We're not hurt. Nemo moans. No, I was not moaning. You know what? Thigh high time is now over. Oh, you're just gonna torture— ah! Shit. Oh fuck. Oh, it's coming back. It's coming back. Oh no, there's another one. Oh, okay. Okay, there's two of them. There's two of them. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Okay. 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 Oh fuck. Oh fuck! It's dogs. I'm being followed now. Oh, Jane! Oh fuck, Jane! Hello, hello, Jane. Hi, hi. It's nice seeing you here. Today we're playing a scary game now. We're playing Silent Hill, actually. Oh, I'm getting fucked. Oh, what the fuck? Come on, I think we're close, because I see hedges here. I see hedges here, and I think we're close to that elementary school. Please, for the love of Christ, there better be an opening. Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh, shit. It's good bullying this cutie. I'm not cute. You're cute. Oh, I'm dropping frames. Why am I dropping frames? Holy shit, why do I hear dogs? I'm not cute. But I'll just believe whatever you guys say for now. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, okay. Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Oh! Oh, fuck. No, 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 don't stop. Okay, I think we're here. I think we're here. I think we're here. Jay, don't you take that out of— oh, it's dogs! Okay, okay, we're here. We're here. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, we're here. Yeah, interesting sounds. Yeah. Oh. Wait, can I escape? Cheryl might be in here. I should search for her. You making some interesting sounds? You bet I am. And, don't quote me on that. What is that? Yeah, those are moans and screaming fuck and don't... Yeah, Edward, clip it quick. What the fuck? Okay, I believe we're in a safe area. What the hell did you clip, Edward? What did you clip, Edward? You... School map. Okay, we're taking it. I just sent the one again for oh no, Jane, don't look at that one. Don't look at that one, Jane. Don't look at that one. Oh no. Please don't send that to anyone else. Oh, it's the great children. Oh, fuck. Oh, get off of me, you freaking chop. Holy shit, get in there. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Am I gonna die? Holy shit, I think I'm gonna die. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Oh shit. It's jammed! Ah! Okay, we're good. Nothing's going on in here. A-Star, check this out. Wait a minute, what the fuck? What the fuck? Edward, don't! Oh shit! Star, don't you look at that. Don't you dare fucking look at that. Please, for the love of Christ, don't look at that. How do I get rid of this? Holy shit. Ah, fuck! Thank you. You're a cutie. Did you know that? You're really cute. You're so cute right now. You have cute emotes too. Oh, you look at that founder badge you have, you cutie. I kiss the shit out of you. I disagree with your statements. I disagree with it. Ah! Step on him! Step on him! There we go. Hello. What else is here? Anything here? Hay nada aquí. Let's go. Holy shit! I hear them. What the hell? Ah! You're hideous? No, you're not. Fuck! Hey, it's Rage Shady Legends. Gat! Gato! Hola, ¿cómo estás, mi amigo? Mi hombre, mi hijo. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Holy shit, Gat! Fuck! Gat! Thank you for subscribing, but you didn't have to. Thank you, though. Hi, Gat. Hi, Gato. How is it, my brother? Way to say, Jesus Christ. Every time when I'm playing a song. Oh my god! Okay, both of you want me to say something. What do you want me to say? Don't make it too lewd.
Well, hello,
Hey, it's Gato! Hey, Gat, it's you!
You know who it is. It's
hey.
your homeboy Cat. Yes, I got a cat tail and cat ears. Why? Cat.
Goodbye, yeah, shit. Fuck. Nothing's inside. Well, fuck. We'll hug you while you hold the drag. Ay, Dios mío, es un gato loco. Yeah, exactly. Silver Moon. Hey, Silver Moon. Okay. He went back alive?
I'm gonna make a Nemo monster come.
Someone said they were gonna do that, and nothing came of it. So do it if you want. Do it if you want. I'm on mobile. I can't clip, so I better run to my PC. Okay, I'll do it right now.